Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can get the new R.E.P.O monster avatar decoration. If you didn't know, today, October 30th, 2025, R.E.P.O just released their new monster update, in which they've released 10 new monsters, as well as a ton of other mechanic updates and new weapons. They've also had a new launch trailer that accompanies this, but on Discord they also have set up a new quest for a monster avatar decoration. Now, all you have to do to get this new awesome decoration is you have to play R.E.P.O for 15 minutes with your Discord client open. Quickly, I want to mention that you have to be on PC to do this quest. Of course, that's also because, the game is on PC as well, but you need to have the application open on your computer. Now, you can do this on the browser as well, but if that doesn't work, you will have to get the Discord PC app, which is the actual application, and this should work no matter what. But you need to have this open in the background in order for the game to, or in order for Discord to read your game and register that you're playing the game. Now, to get to the quest tab, they now have moved the quest tab in the main screen of Discord underneath the shop here. It used to be in the discovery tab, but we could see they have moved it, and now it's just simply underneath the shop in its own tab here at the front screen. And we'll see the R.E.P.O quest here. And so all we're going to do is click on accept quest. Now I want to mention that this quest is available until November 9th, 2025. So as of posting this video, about a week and a half. And after we accepted the quest, we could see that the quest is at 0%. So now we need to actually launch the game in order for this percent to go up. So now that we have the game running, and we can see the game is on, and if we tab back into Discord here, we can see that the progress bar is going up very slowly here. And after 15 minutes, this progress bar will be at 100%, and then we can claim our reward. Now, while we're waiting for that reward to claim, I want to quickly mention that we are almost at 3,000 subscribers on the YouTube channel, and once we hit 3,000 subscribers on the channel, I will be giving away 3 months of Discord Nitro to 3 different winners. So if you do want to join this giveaway, please make sure to subscribe to get me closer to that goal, as well as go and join my Discord server and go to the giveaways channel, which is where the giveaway will be set up once we hit 3,000. But anyways, we're going to let this progress bar fill up to 100%, and I'll cut right back to once this is fully filled, so I could accept the quest and show you how to claim the decoration. And there we go. So it has been 15 minutes now, and we can see the quest is now at 100% and the green bar is fully filled. So now we can claim the avatar decoration. So all we're going to do is just click on the claim reward option here. Once you click on that, you will verify yourself and it will be applied to your account. And there we go. We have the R.E.P.O monster avatar decoration, and we can see what it looks like, as well as we can see the nice banner they have here that goes with it. I don't believe they actually had these banners here, but maybe I'm just tripping out. But either way though, we have the avatar decoration. Now another thing I want to mention, of course, with all of these videos, is that once you claim any of these decorations, you need Nitro in order to keep it forever. So if you do not have Discord Nitro, you could only keep it for 2 months for free. And you could use it for free and whatever, but if you do want to keep it forever, then you do need Discord Nitro. Now, if you want to equip it, you're just going to go to your user settings, and once you're in user settings, you're going to go to your profile section, and you're going to see change decoration for avatar decoration. And if you click on that, we can see the decoration is right here, and we can also see a time limit of how many days you have left to use this decoration, and we can see the expiry date and the date that it expires. We can see it expires on January 8th, 2026 on this account, since this account doesn't have Discord Nitro. But anyways though guys, that will be a wrap on how to get this new avatar decoration for the new R.E.P.O monster update. So please, highly recommend playing R.E.P.O. It is an amazing game to play with your friends, and 10 new monsters will make the game a lot interesting, and I cannot wait to play that later today. Now, once again, if you did enjoy this video, please subscribe to my channel. We are about 300 subscribers away from 3,000, and once we hit 3,000, we will host a giveaway for another 3 months of Discord Nitro to 3 different winners in my Discord server. So make sure to do that, make sure to like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next Discord tutorial. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.